Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unpackaging of BoxyCharm, oh my bad, of Ipsy, the month of August. So I'm actually quite disappointed in this package, and maybe be considering if I were canceling because it's not that great. This is how the bag looks like. So it's just like it's a pretty coral color with yellow on it. I like how the yellow matches my nails. Teehee teehee. But anyways, this bag is actually quite see-through. I don't think you guys can pick that up, but I can see the products in here already. And I'm not really too much of a fan of the material either. It just seems really cheap. I used to think that their bag designs used to be really cute, but lately they've been lacking on it. I don't know. So the first thing is the Black Tea London Classic Serum. It contains 100% pure black tea extract. The anti-aging skincare contains high quality black tea and recognized by England's royal family. So it just says to directly, apply. After applying the skin, gently apply an appropriate amount to the skin along the... Have you ever like read out loud and caught your guys' mistakes? Because damn, I didn't want to read. Oh, it's already kind of dripping out. I think because I was squeezing it a little too much, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of this. Because it says appropriate amount, so I don't know what appropriate means. So usually, like, aside of like the other video that I did on skincare, I do like to sometimes use some of these things, like if they do have like skin products, but I don't really like to receive too much because I don't like, if I like something, like let's say an Ipsy, I won't buy it. I'll just wait for something similar in another month or something like that to come in, because I guarantee you this thing is probably like 50 bucks for full size, and I'm not about to spend that. Oh, so I feel like that actually brought redness to my face right here and over here, and it does not smell like coffee. Oh, black tea. I wouldn't know how black tea smells like, so I thought it said coffee. Anyway, the next thing in my bag is the Kula Golden Organic BB Plus Cream. It's 70% plus organic, featuring blah 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 blah. Not important. Does it have? It has SPF. So if your skin is like mine and you are oily, then I don't recommend at all using anything that has SPF, and this has SPF in it. Although it's not a high dosage, it'll still make your skin really oily. So this is a BB cream, so I'm not sure if they're supposed to match your skin really well, but this doesn't match mine very well. It's like a darker color, but it feels nice. I think once you really blend it all out, it'll probably blend in with your skin. So yeah, now you can't really see it. It does feel really nice, but it does feel like it feels like you're rubbing sunblock with foundation on your skin. It feels really thick, and not only that, but it's like all sticky. So I wouldn't use that on my face, just because I already know, like, you can see the difference, can't you? I don't know. This one feels really shiny already, and I don't like that. Now the next thing is the Twilight. Wait, I don't even know where the top of this thing is. Hashtag INM, the Universe's Star Highlighter. I'm not missing out. But it's in the color Twilight. It comes in a really cute packaging, actually. I'm about to tear open right now because I can't get into it. Okay, so Twilight looks like that, but it really looks like this. So this is an actual highlight. To me, it looks very orange. I'm not sure if I would actually use this as a highlight, maybe for eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch it. See how this looks. Okay, so on the finger, it looks really chalky. Like if I blow into it, I'm pretty sure it'll blow. Did you see anything? Just kidding. Okay, so it is pretty orange. It's a really pretty color, but I wouldn't use this as a highlight. Just because it's not my type of highlight. I like the kind that has chunks of glitter in it. This is just like a shimmer eyeshadow to me. I would probably use this as an inner corner or maybe a highlight brow, but not for the face, like on my cheekbones. That's just ridiculous. No. So that's a no-go for me. So far I'm not liking my bag that much. I mean, the bag itself counts as one product to me, and I don't like it. The next thing, it's the really cute packaging again. Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics, DLS. And their Dirty Little Secret is in the color Skinny Dip, I think. Not Skinny Dip. So their #1 ingredient has talc in it. That's bad. You know what I noticed? I think that BoxyCharm is more like environment animal friendly, and like Ipsy's like I didn't even want to bash them, but I'm just gonna stay quiet. Okay, so now this is how it looks like. It's the bronzer, yeah, and it's in Skinny Dip. So it looks like that. Again, this would probably be like a eyeshadow, not a bronzer. I don't know. And it looks like it's been used too. Like there's like scratches on it. I don't know. BoxyCharm does that thing too, and I hate it because I feel like I'm not really getting new products. I'm getting like, oh, somebody returned this box because they canceled their subscription, or I don't know, something like that. So I'm gonna do the bronzer next to the highlight. So it actually doesn't look that dark, because I thought that this was going to be really, really dark, but it's not. It's like a really nice color, but again, I don't think I would use that as a bronzer just because I like colors when I contour to be matte. So I would probably use this on the lid or something. Something like that. I'm trying to put everything back in its packaging. And last but not least, the Makeup Forever Professional Paris Multi-Use Matte Pencil in 606 Whatever Walnut. So it looks like that. And this eye I'm actually going to apply because I don't mind. I actually spent forever trying to open this up. And same thing with the other product. I think it was like that walnut. No, not the walnut thing, but that black tea thing. I like the way how it just goes on like butter. Like you don't even have to use that much pressure, because there are some that are like really, really dry. And this color is really, really pretty. I just feel like alone it looks really, really nice. And I feel like this is a good size. I mean, it may not last me that long because I'm probably gonna use it all the time, but still very, very pretty. And all I have is chapstick underneath. So just like that. I just overline them a little bit because my lips are kind of small. I feel like a chola. All I need is some eyeliner and some hoops. But that, oh, almost dropped everything. But that is it of what's inside my disappointing boxy, well, I keep wanting to say BoxyCharm. Maybe I will just unsubscribe from Ipsy. I think I'm going to give them one more chance because I'm very unhappy with what I got in this and even the quality of the bag. Although I have been noticing that everybody on Instagram has been telling them stuff about the bags. So I hope they hear them out. So hopefully for next month in September, they have done something about it, because if they haven't, I don't know, I kind of don't want to wait till October, or I might skip September. I don't know. It's because I want an October bag, because last year's was nice. Like I had spider webs and all that, and I want one of those. Anyways, I am blabbering anyway. So do I like this one? No, it's the most awfulest Ipsy bag I've ever received in my life. Do I recommend it? Not for August. Not. Anyway. Thank you so much for watching. If you did get an Ipsy bag, please let me know what you guys got. I want to know if your guys' is better than mine. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye now.